We have waited for so long.
I am tired of waiting. Please don't give up on us. This house is empty because of you. I am trying.
My son needs a real wife.
Mother, stop! No, she has failed.
You don't look happy at home.
You notice too much.
I notice what she cannot give.
You are dangerous.
And you like it.
I am carrying your child.
What?
Yes, your child.
This changes everything.
Who is this?
She is carrying my child.
No, this is not real. I am not going anywhere.
Welcome, guys. Have you ever seen those viral fruit drama videos and wondered how they're made? Well, I created this entire story using free AI tools. No camera, no actors, no expensive setup. Everything you just watched, the characters, the emotions, the full drama, was generated step by step using AI. And the best part? You can do this too. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created it, from building the fruit characters to generating cinematic scenes and turning everything into a viral video. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm breaking it down in a very simple, beginner-friendly way. And if you're serious about making money with faceless content, I've created a full step-by-step system inside my school community, AI Made Simple Hub. Inside, you'll learn how to create viral AI content, grow fast on social media, and monetize your content properly. The link is in the description. Join us and start creating like a pro. Let's get into it.
Okay, so here is the prompt we'll be using for this. Okay, I've generated this prompt, and this is the prompt we'll be using to create our images and build our characters. So you can see how long it is. It's a well-detailed prompt. Okay, I use the master prompt that I have. If you want to get the master prompt, you have to join my AI Academy for you to get that. Okay, so this is the prompt here. So this is the character description for the strawberry wife. So the next is for us to go ahead and create the image. So to create the images, we'll be using Google Flow. So go to lab.googlefx, then you'll see Google Flow. Search launch on Flow. When you launch on Flow, you have to log in with your Google account. When you log into Flow, okay, you see here, Flow will usually give 150 AI credits every day. Okay, I have 130 because I've used 20 this year, and that is mainly for your video generation. Okay, but it's okay. So this is the interface of Flow. All you need is log in with your Google account. Then here you click on New Project. To create images on Flow at the moment is free. It's free of charge. Okay, you just have to create it. Okay, click on New Project. You come in here. Here you have to select your setting. Make sure it's on image. Make sure you select the model you want. In this place, I'll be using Imagine 4, or you can use Nano Banana 4. You can also select your aspect ratio. I'll be leaving it on 9:16, or you select 16:9 for YouTube landscape video. Or you can also select the number of output you want. Here I want 1. Okay, you can select 2 if you want to output. For now, generating images with Flow is 0 credits. Is 0 credits. Okay, so that's the settings. Next thing is just to copy the prompt and build our character. We have to build our character. So head over to the prompt you have. Copy. We build the strawberry wife, the blueberry wife first. Okay, copy all the prompts that you have here and head over to your Flow. When you head over to Flow, just paste in the prompt. Okay, and click on generate. So the same thing you will do for the husband mango. Copy the prompts, okay, the fruit type, copy all the prompts to the end for the husband mango. Copy it, head over to Flow. You can see the blueberry wife here, okay. Head over to Flow and paste in for the husband. Leave it the same setting. Then you click on generate. We just want to build these characters, okay. We just want to build the characters. Then the next person to build is the strawberry wife, the strawberry side chick, okay. Copy that. Build your characters first. Your characters you need to build first. Okay, this is the mango guy. So this is the mango head man. Okay, just copy your prompts and paste it in. Okay, copy it, paste it in. Then you click on generate. So this is how you go ahead and copy the prompts. Okay, the avocado mom. Okay, you copy the prompts. Build all your characters first before you build your images scene by scene. Build your characters on Flow. So you paste it in. So after here, you can see we've generated all the image character leads in the story. Here we have the blueberry wife, the strawberry side chick, the mango husband, and the avocado mother-in-law. Next now is to create the images step by step, okay?
Welcome to Learn with Cece. Get ready to discover, create, and grow.
So head over to your prompt and copy your image one. This is the scene one, okay? So this is the scene one here. This is it, okay? Make sure everything aligns, all right? Proofread the prompt and know who and who is in the prompt. Here, I'll just proofread the prompt. So here I have the blueberry husband, the blueberry wife, and the husband in this scene. Just know who and who is in the scene, okay? So when you come over to Flow, how do you create your images here? You just have to add the people to prompts, okay? Add the prompt, the people involved, add them to prompts, and just paste in your prompt under them and click on generate, allow it to create. Okay, so this is the image it created for this particular scene. Okay, then this is how you create it step by step. You go back to your prompt, copy the third scene. Okay, I have like 10 scenes here. If you want, you can make it longer, you can make it shorter. It's up to you how you want it. Okay, I'll paste in the prompt. Remember to always be guided with people involved in that particular scene. Okay, so in this scene we have the husband. We add to prompt. We have the wife. We have the avocado mom. We add them to prompt. Okay, then you click on generate. Always prefer to know the characters involved in this particular. Okay, so here is it. You can see it has created that for me. So I'll go ahead and copy my third prompt. Okay, copy my 10th prompt. This is it. Okay, this is my third prompt. Okay, this is the video prompt. Just be careful. Then we have the image prompt for scene 3. You just copy that. Look out for people in there. Here we have the strawberry lady and the mango husband. We come over here. Remember to use these dots. Bring in the people that are involved into the prompt area and paste in your prompts. Click generate. Okay, as you're creating your scenes, please remember to download them as 1K resolution. Okay, remember to download them as 1K resolution. Remember to download them as 1K resolution as you're creating it scene by scene. Okay, you can see how beautiful that looks. So we create scene 4. Scene 4, we have a mango head husband freezes in shock at her. Okay, and we still have the strawberry. So we have the strawberry, we add the prompts. Okay, click on generate. Okay guys, so this is how you actually build your image scene. Download them step by step. Okay, download them step by step as you're creating, you're generating. She says she's pregnant. Amazing. Okay, so let's continue creating images. Okay, image 5. Okay, this is the mango husband. Okay, with the blueberry wife. Oh, bless her. So there, the blueberry wife is there. You add some prompts. Always proofread people in your scene. Okay, it makes it easy for you to know who to bring in into the prompt. So here we have the strawberry, we have the blueberry, and we have the husband. Okay, so you go ahead and generate your images this way, step by step. This is how you do it on Flow. So the next thing is you keep generating the images scene by scene and make sure you delete download all of them as you create. You download it to your device as you create. Next is for us to turn these images we've created to video. So this is our scene 1 with the husband and wife. Head over to the prompt, okay? Head over to the prompt. Remember I said if you want to get this prompt, you need to get it from my academy on school. Okay, the prompt is there if you join the academy. The link is on the description down if you want to join the academy. Okay, if you're enjoying this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorial like this. So here now we have our video prompt and our dialogue. Okay, remember you need to map out how many people in there. All you need to do, the prompt is already done for you. Just go ahead and copy that and head over to Flow. Flow give us credits, okay, 150 credits every day to create our videos. So this is the credit. I've used 20 out of it. So each generation costs 20 credits. Each generation costs 20 credits. You can upgrade if you want to upgrade to have their membership, and you have 1,000 credits to use every month to create your content. Okay, so this is our scene 1. All you need to do to turn it to in video is to tap on the 3 dots and click on animate. When you tap on animate, it will come down to this place. Okay, you will see it here. Paste in that prompt, the video prompt, and the dialogue scene. Okay, here we automatically turn to video once you touch animate. Just paste in the prompt, video prompt, and the dialogue. Okay, and just click on generate. That will analyze and start creating the video for you. Okay, so let's listen to the audio. So use this credit that Flow has given to create videos. Okay, create like 8 to 9 seconds video per each scene. So you can use that if you can't afford Flow. This is the other way you can also create your content. Watch my other video tutorial to see how I also use other AI tools to create good quality videos so that replaces Grok AI. Okay, so this is the next scene we have to animate. Head over to your prompt and copy the video and the image scene. Okay, video and the dialogue scene. Mind you, if you feel the speech can be too long, okay, you have to maybe cut it down a bit, okay, and repeat the scene. So if you feel that would be too long, you need to cut it out and repeat the scene. But let's create that first, okay? Paste in your prompt. Make sure everything, a dialogue is allocated to who we talk, who will say what, and click on generate. You have to use that format, this format, to actually create your dialogue. Okay, it helps the AI to be able to know who is talking first and who is talking next. Okay. Okay, so here is it. Okay, remember to download as you go. Okay, download as maybe 720p resolution as you create your videos. All right, just click and yeah, go ahead and just click download. Okay, also we have the third scene. You have to animate all this scene by scene. Okay, you have to be patient when you're creating that. You have to be patient when you're creating all that. Okay, just do it step by step. This is this next scene. We add animate, then you paste in your prompt and you click on generate. Okay, this is how you build it step by step, step by step. Okay, this is so good. So the video is ready. Let's watch that. Okay, so here is it. You go ahead and click on download. Okay, just create your videos with fun. You will like the outcome, trust me. Make sure your dialogue, your image, prompts, everything is well detailed. So the next one is the pregnancy reveal. So this is it. The husband pushes in slowly and I think it's all of them there. So let's create the video, which is this one. This is the fourth one. We click on animate, you paste in the prompts. Okay, it's kind of she did surprise for him. And this man has been, from the storyline, he's been looking for a child with his wife. You can see the mother-in-law here trying to, hassle, give them stress about it. Okay, so here is it here. Let's say. Okay, so this is beautiful. Then go ahead and just download that. Okay, and this is how you create your videos. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials like this. And if you want to join the AI Academy, where you learn multiple AI skills, multiple AI niche, how to monetize both on social media and outside social media, the link will be down the comment section for you to join and learn. Monetize your social media handles with AI content, and you will start. Okay, thanks for watching.